Yeah, what do you see as the next steps for Dordaviprone in clinical research, and are there plans for combination therapies or new trial designs?
I mean, it is really exciting right now. So the company has tried, the company that has fostered this drug through development, has tried to push it forward. And so currently, the FDA has an application for accelerated approval, and hopefully we'll know by the end of the summer about that. We've been participating in the ACTION study, and in that trial, you introduce dordaviprone in the newly diagnosed setting. And then there's some other studies that are ongoing. The action study is still open outside of the US, but it's on pause right now while the FDA is considering the application.
Mm.
If we have a drug approval, then that really opens the door for additional studies and combination therapy. So it's a really exciting time to be involved with this area of research.
I'm so curious because, the H3K27M mutant diffuse midline gliomas are very specific.
They are.
They're very niche.
It
What
is.
drew you to that specific area?
I'll be honest. In 2021, the WHO classification for brain tumors changed. And so from that, multiple new tumor categories um, developed. And of course, this was during COVID. It took a while for all of that information to catch on. We were all so, inundated with everything. And I was taking care of a patient in the hospital, and the pathologist called me with his path report, and she had checked it and found one. And I said, "Well, I need to I need to go read about that." So I started reading and talking to colleagues, and there was a presentation, either from ASCO or SNO, about this drug. And so my very first patient, we had permission, to use the drug off label. And the more I read, within 2 weeks, I had two more patients, which was very unusual. And I was actually able to open the clinical trial in 2 weeks, which has never been done at my facility. And so we dove right in taking care of these patients, and being able to offer them something, knowing that there were no other choices out there, was really thrilling. And so I've been working with these particular types of brain tumors now ever since.